I can close my re-entry and take profit here, or let it ride. I think I'm just gonna let it ride. I'm guessing this is just gonna bounce up and down. Don't take the quick 6 window. Yeah. I'm gonna let it ride. I'm up about 1 Bitcoin so far from this trade. That has been taken in profit or back in again. God, these mosquito bites. It feels so good to itch.
Persistir os sintomas médicos não deverá ser consultado.
How about Cipher nailing that drop, huh? Telling you, this is textbook 5-minute Cipher action. Long at 12.65. If you were there, I was busy, you know, so when I checked in, we were already past a little bit. But man, if you have been staring at your screen, you got in at the perfect time, bam, for that nice little pump. Easy. Money.
Ao persistir os sintomas, o médico não deverá ser consultado. Persistir os sintomas, o médico não deverá ser consultado.
Oh, what's going on with Ripple? Tell me Ripple had a pump. Oh, it didn't. It's getting there, though. Could be getting there. ETH back over the 300s. There we go, Bitcoin. There we go, baby. How's our volume figure? Let's see.
persistir os sintomas, o médico não deverá ser consultado.
Bybit's supposed to be on TradingView here really soon. I think within a week. Sub Saint, it's good to see you, bro. How's your Cipher working out for you, bro? How's that Forex Cipher? Hopefully it's working well. I mean, if you're going off, Market Cipher was specifically designed with the hourly at its core, right? And so the hourly always holds importance. Beautiful. Look at these snake eyes. You had one, and then a better rounded up. Well, this was coming in to enter in the money flow, so I'd still be a little careful, but you still got a strong snake eyes back up here. You know, you entered the first swing, whatever. Foul. This was a foul ball. Boom, this was a home run right here. Whoo, 11,002, 11,003. Home run with Market Cipher. No other indicator does it. Now, we're supposed to be airing on 2 YouTube channels, folks. And so, I wanted to make sure we get these specials out of the way so you, the mainstream people, will pay full price and you guys can get a little bit of a deal. So hopefully everyone that wanted to get Market Cipher was able to, because it's only going higher with the price of Bitcoin, the price of everything. Why? Maybe I need to change the title. We only have 68 people watching. Nice little head and shoulders on the blue wave. Here we go, baby. Let's see this pick it right up. Man, it's crazy going from having like 2-3 screens to only one. I can't do the things I want to do on stream like on my other screen. But boy, oh boy. We're just sitting back, collecting the dough, waiting for it to go up, mo. And for those that don't know, I already re-entered. You know, I already got my re-entry signal right here. But we can zoom out and Let's see what's going on. This is the nice little bow, little recurve bow. The signal was to re-enter when the 5 minute tells us to. Earlier on the last stream, what, maybe an hour ago, we had this wave. I said we're waiting for this wave to come down, right? This just formed. I said, oh, I'm gonna exit, not short, but take my profit on the rest of my long, and then I'll re-enter long when we get another blue hump on the 5 minute. Boom, got the blue hump, re-entered, and here we are. That was the signal. Let's see if we have any new profit logs. Looks like we do. John 106 is up 862%. Looks like he's turned maybe 300 bucks into 2,000. Just another day. What do you say? Ooh, baby, we're going up a little bit more. That's what Daddy likes to see. This is what Daddy wants to see. Way to go, William. Are you a Cipher wizard? Are you in Market Cipher? I'll make sure I let you guys know when the Ivan video is aired so you can support me. I'm gonna need all your support because my haters will be out. You know they will. The same 3 or 4 losers.
Oh no, he's better than good.
Yes, Ivan. And then there's also another YouTuber, Zombie, Crypto Zombie. Which me and Zombie have been working together for a long time. But we just had shit going on where we haven't been able to. Yeah, would you look at that? Boy, so we definitely want, oh man, hopefully we can get past, hopefully this rally can get into the low 13,000s. That's what we need. And so the baseline, we don't care. It's already inverse, so I mean that's good with standard text, but we want the baseline to just be upward like this. So if we can get to the low 13s, I do not care if we come back down, because we're going to rocket back up. Yeah, he's definitely a big YouTuber for sure. That's why I'm saying, like, the sale, this 30% off sales ending here soon.
The boy's got a rare ability. He seems to make cards transparent. Alright, so we can say he's good. Oh no, he's better than good. He's a fucking thief.
Way to go, Waba. Happy for you.
He's a fucking liability.
Ooh, yeah, baby. Here we go. There we go. Man, I'm telling you. When the 5 minutes, man, this shit is just fire. Fire. Bang. Money. Hell yeah, dude. I hope you enjoy your Disney vacation on Market Cipher. Make sure you post in the testimonials that you're at Disneyland. And you don't have to say, unless if Market Cipher really did pay for it, show it. But don't. All I ask is, you know, I don't want anyone to lie. I'm not saying anyone's going to. So if we go up to, let's say, 13. 13 ones, 3.5. These $10,000 trades just don't do it for me anymore. I'm telling you, I'm spoiled. I'm spoiled. Oh yeah, so I see. Looks like we got a little turbulence coming here. A little turbulence coming. I mean, this is a scalper's dream. Even off $50, $75 moves, man, you can really slice this pig. You can really slice the pig. I mean, the 5 minutes showing us right here. Okay, this is good, this flat. There's normally, right, the boner candle after. We might see the 800s. When we see 3 or 4 flat diamonds straight across, many a time we see that candle to 8 in the 800s. We'll see if it comes true. And that's on the hourly, so how deep are we in this? Alright, let's see if this puppy comes through to the 8 hundos. Let's go. I'm gonna have to get my sleep schedule back on the old days where we're up all night. I'm already tired. My ass is tired. Yes, I know. And I don't care. And why fucking bring it up? Like, bringing it up isn't fucking helping either, dude. It's stupid. It's like dumb. Like, why bring it up again? Putting you in fucking timeout. Think. Yeah, I saw that knockout. I almost cried. That shit was hard to watch. I mean, if someone's running at you and they jump at you, why would you fucking dive down, put your head in? So stupid. That was stupid of him. The stupidity of some people is fucking shocking, I swear. Thiago should have won that fight. I was so disappointed in Jones. A green dot doesn't just mean you long out of nowhere. It depends on the time frame. Like on the larger time frames, I mean, it's much better. But if you're on the 5 minute or 3 or 1 minute, you don't just long a green dot because there's a green dot. Like on the 4 hour, like you get snake eyes, that's probably a good long. The blue wave's cutting off, you know. But this, we didn't know if this was the beginning of a major downtrend or if it was sideways, and so like we just chilled, you know what I'm saying? Till we get, now we have like basically confirmation that we're at least sideways. Yeah, hopefully we can get to the low 13s so we can have a confirmation that the head and shoulders baseline is leaning upwards. And that would be, if we go to 13 and the baseline of the head and shoulders is slanting upwards, guys, that's fucking huge. That means we could have a mega pump to who knows where, 15K or whatever anyone wants to speculate. And if someone doxes or talks shit about me somewhere, you don't go in the fucking live chat and go, "Hey, Faith," and if you want to tell me, which trust me, I already know, like if someone talks shit somewhere, I hear about it from 100 fucking people. You don't go on a live stream and do it all over again, or else your mom's doing the same thing. Think. I don't care. People are gonna see me without the mask soon anyways. Honestly, the mask comes off, these fucking losers will be like, oh, I have nothing to say. Oh, I already lost 150K a year ago. Oh. The mask does attract the biggest creeps. I have the biggest creep stalkers, and like these other YouTubers don't understand. Like, you guys have no idea the fucking weirdos that stalk me. And literally, the bad ones always end up having like gay porn and shit. Like, it's fucking disgusting. And I'm not saying I'm just gonna have to take the mask off forever. I'm just saying, like, I might do a stream where, you know, I don't have my mask on. And if you're a YouTuber and someone's talking shit or trying to dox on your channel, you should fucking stick up for me, or at least ban them. Like, if you're just trying to be neutral or whatever, that's some bullshit. If someone's doxing someone on my channel, I kick them the fuck out, because I don't like worm bitches in my community. And I would imagine other people would be the same. Should be the same. Good to see you too, Chain. Appreciate it, Smart. Thank you, John. Yeah, and that's like, obviously some of you guys know, like, we've had much worse. We've had some disgusting people, some really fucked up people. So we have 2 sideways on the 4-hour. Too many worms in this space. So many are just like snake, spineless worms. I wanted to do like a Martin Shkreli live stream where he's just like, only haters can come on and debate me. Haters only. And no one would show up, or like people would show up and be like, I love you, Martin. And then bounce, he's like, thank you. I know, thank you. Haters only, please. Or they would show up and debate and get smashed. I'd have to do like a delay stream. As a beginner trader, I recommend Market Cipher. If you have a little bit of experience, that's all you need. If it's your first time trading, like, it's hard, it's you know, whatever. But if you are a beginning new trader and like you've traded a little bit of this, a little bit of that, had success or had mostly failure, Market Cipher turns you into a fucking pro. Like, as long as you can understand, okay, you got your anchor blue wave, you know, and obviously all the other indicators too, but you got your anchor blue wave, boom, this one's smaller, boom, you long right here, you know, boom, you're long in these right here. And this is on, you know, this is on a small time frame, but like we exit our longs in here and we re-enter it as soon as this little blue hump we've been waiting for, bang, we got in before this pump, boom, it pumped right up. Now we're halfway down, so like we knew the turbulence was coming right now as well. Right here, we were like, oh, we're gonna go down a little bit. And so we've pushed down about halfway down to this mark. Little red X, that's not necessarily a good sign, but we are thick, kind of in the money flow, and so, you know, it is what it is. Changing time frames. Now, this was something I'd actually be a little more worried about on the 15 minute. 15 minute looks like it's just getting started. 15 minute looks like it's just getting started. We could see a little dip coming here. The 30 minutes not really giving us anything. These candles, like it is having these 3 sideways is kind of like bullish, but we're getting a couple mixed signs. Could see a little turbulence. Lower time frames is 15 minute. Could see a little turbulence to the downside coming here. Could be a whittle. I say it could be a lot, but a lot could be like 50 bucks. Like, see how this barely peaked out right here? Like when they barely peak out or like they're coming real close, normally that's a good sign for a drop, a bigger drop. See this blue wave right here? The white actually just barely peeks out right here. It barely peeks out. Sometimes it won't even, it'll like touch it. It'll like, they'll be equal and then come back down. Normally that means there's probably a decent kind of drop coming. This one's kind of barely peeking, so a little bit in a step fashion. I'm not super worried, but we could have a little bitty drop, a little bit of drop. See, like right here, there was a red X, but it was already kind of down. It didn't really go down anymore. The sell pressure really wasn't enough. Could be seeing something similar right here, where there's, yes, there is a little red X, but the red X isn't the end of the world. So there's kind of like a little fight going on right here. There's a little battle.
The beat of the bass drum. Low frequency generator. Low frequency generator. Frequency generator.
Yeah, we might have. Okay, this is the 4-hour. Wait a second, 4-hour. Okay, that one. Yeah, come on, baby. Ooh, we're close. We are close. Where do we go from 12.3 to 12.8, 12.7? This is 11.8. Yeah, I mean, a couple more hours, and we could see another good fucking lift up. Yeah, if we hit 13.1, 13.2, that's great news. Great news. This is where the neckline like begins, right? The reason why we want this to come up even to 13.16 or even I'd take, but the truth that we discovered on this channel and only us is that with Head and Shoulders in crypto, it doesn't matter if it's standard or if it's inverse. What really matters is which direction the baseline is pointing. If it's pointing down, it is more than likely that it will go down. If it's pointing up, that's whether it's an inverse Head and Shoulders or a normal Head and Shoulders. What's important is the baseline. Now that, children, they don't teach you at fucking Crypto Crew University. Or any university or trading course for crypto. I need to make one. I actually need a fucking crypto trading course because it would actually provide real value. People would actually know what to do and how to trade afterwards, unlike most others. My course would be fucking awesome. There are so many short indicators with this indicator. There's red X's, yellow X's, the blue wave. Golly, everyone wants a red dot. They can't help it. There's plenty of short indications with market Cipher, people. Plenty. There's like more than there are long indications. Niacin does make you hiccup. Vitamins for sure, like my what's it called? The powder I drink with the vitamins. You guys can't put so much weight in just one indicator. You use them all combined. The yellow X's are really where I put, I mean the red X's too, but like when there's bang bang, when there's yellow X's going off, you know there's about to be a fucking dump. Let's see if we can go back in time and find some. There was that one a few days ago where they were firing off. This laptop shit really pisses me off. So these one weren't much here, but where is the other ones? I'm not doing this. I can't do this laptop. Were these it right here? I think this may have been it. No, this was all today. Never mind. We're on the 1 minute. Never mind. I'm not going back a day or 2 days on the 1 minute to try to find him. See, look, there's your red X, and we're just on the 1 minute, and it's taking a little poop.
The attack is psychological and powerful.
Okay, it looks like we're going into the depths here. Could be entering some depth. I just haven't plugged in my mouse. I'm fucking tired. Alrighty. Alright, well, if you have Market Cipher, you can sit here and watch the computer screen, but I think I'm going to call it a night. So I hope y'all have a good night, and maybe you'll get some sleep, maybe not.